Everyone says you need $300,000 or more to buy a home today. That sounds convincing, but it's wrong. In 2026, there are still real U.S. towns where $180,000 buys a solid house, not a cramped box, but 3 bedrooms, a real yard, quiet streets, and lower taxes. The key is buying smart. That's why tools like a home inspection kit with a moisture meter and outlet tester matter. Small checks can save you big money. In this video, I'll show you where these homes still exist and why smart buyers are quietly moving there right now. Decatur is one of those towns where home prices never lost their mind. In 2026, the median home price still sits around $120,000 to $150,000, which means a $180K budget can buy a real 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, often 1,400 to 1,900 square feet, built between the 1970s and early 2000s. Many include garages and usable yards, not postage stamps. Taxes are reasonable. Property taxes average about 1.8%, putting most annual bills between $2,000 and $2,800. Monthly utilities stay manageable too, typically $150 to $200, thanks to Midwest energy costs. Healthcare is a major strength. Decatur Memorial Hospital and HSHS St. Mary's provide full emergency and specialty care. Crime is mixed. North and West Decatur are quieter, while some downtown areas require caution. Violent crime runs slightly above the national average, so location matters. If you want real space, real hospitals, and real affordability, Decatur still delivers. Muncie catches people off guard, in a good way. Thanks to Ball State University, the town feels alive and walkable, with coffee shops, parks, and cultural events, but without big city price pressure. That balance is rare. In 2026, median home prices sit between $135K and $165K, which means a $180K budget still buys a real house. Think 3 bedrooms, 1,500 to 2,000 square feet, often built from the 1960s through the 1990s. Solid homes with usable layouts and real yards. There's another quiet advantage here: steady rental demand. Students, professors, and hospital staff help support long-term resale or rental options if plans ever change. Property taxes average about 1.6%, or roughly $2,200 per year, and utilities typically run $160 to $210 monthly. Healthcare is strong for a town this size, anchored by IU Health Ball Memorial Hospital, a regional trauma and specialty care center. Crime varies by area. Neighborhoods near campus and northwest Muncie are calmer, while some east side pockets need caution. Overall, Muncie delivers energy, services, and affordability in one surprisingly balanced package.
Erie offers something most affordable towns simply can't: true lakefront living without luxury prices. Sitting right on Lake Erie, you get beaches, marinas, fishing, and wide-open sunset views that feel more like a resort than a budget town. In 2026, median home prices sit around $140K to $170K, which means a $180K budget can still buy a real 3-bedroom house. Most homes fall between 1,400 and 1,900 square feet, often in established neighborhoods built from the 1950s through the 1980s. Solid construction, mature trees, and quiet streets. Healthcare is one of Erie's biggest strengths. UPMC Hammett and St. Vincent Hospital provide full regional care, including cardiac and cancer treatment, a major win for long-term planning. Property taxes average about 1.7%, roughly $2,400 to $3,000 per year, and utilities usually run $170 to $220 per month. Safety depends on location. Mill Creek, Frontier Park, and Presque Isle areas are calmer and more stable, while some inner city blocks require caution. The trade-off is winter. Erie averages around 90 inches of snow a year, a deal breaker for some, but a fair price for lake views and affordability for others.
Johnstown feels like a place where home prices never joined the housing frenzy. In 2026, median home values sit between $95,000 and $125,000, which means a $180,000 budget can buy a fully renovated 3 and often 4-bedroom home. Many properties range from 1,600 to 2,300 square feet, with large yards, quiet streets, and even mountain views in some neighborhoods. Taxes remain manageable. Property tax averages around 1.4%, putting most annual bills between $1,300 and $1,800. Utilities are affordable as well, typically $140 to $190 per month, supported by lower regional energy costs. Groceries, insurance, and daily expenses also trend below national averages, which stretches retirement income further. Healthcare access is solid for a town this size. Conmaugh Memorial Medical Center provides emergency services, cardiac care, and specialty clinics, making long-term planning easier. Crime stays relatively low, especially in Richland and Westmont, which are popular with retirees. The trade-off is lifestyle pace. Shopping is limited, nightlife is minimal, and entertainment is quiet. But for buyers who value space, stability, and true ownership security, Johnstown delivers exceptional value in 2026. Lima quietly offers some of the strongest home value in the Midwest. In 2026, median home prices range from $105,000 to $135,000, making it realistic to buy a 3-bedroom home under $180,000. Most homes fall between 1,400 and 1,900 square feet, often with garages, fenced yards, and practical layouts that actually fit everyday life. Ownership costs stay low. Property taxes average about 1.2%, putting most annual bills between $1,200 and $1,800. Utilities are another plus. Natural gas and electric costs keep monthly averages around $120 to $170 even during colder months. Healthcare access is strong for a city this size. Mercy Health St. Rita's Medical Center serves as a regional hub, offering trauma care, cardiac services, and a wide range of specialists. Everyday expenses like groceries and insurance also trend below national averages, which helps retirees and fixed-income buyers stay comfortable. Crime varies by location, but suburban neighborhoods and newer developments remain stable and quiet. Lima doesn't chase hype or rapid growth. It offers predictable living, low ownership costs, and real financial breathing room, exactly what many buyers want in 2026. Toledo quietly offers some of the best price-to-space value in the Midwest. In 2026, the median home price ranges between $125,000 and $155,000, making it very realistic to buy a 3-bedroom home under $180,000, often with 1,500 to 2,200 square feet, garages, and mature neighborhoods. One major advantage is healthcare. ProMedica Toledo Hospital and Mercy Health St. Vincent Medical Center provide strong regional care, including cardiac and trauma services. Outdoor access is another win. The city sits near Lake Erie, Maumee River trails, and metro parks, offering boating, fishing, and long walking paths. Property taxes average about 1.6%, translating to roughly $2,000 to $2,600 annually on a typical home. Utilities usually land around $150 to $200 per month. Safety varies by neighborhood. Areas like Ottawa Hills, Sylvania Edges, and West Toledo are quieter, while some inner-city zones require caution. Toledo rewards smart neighborhood selection with excellent affordability. Rockford delivers something that's getting harder to find in 2026: city-level amenities without city-level home prices. The median home price sits between $140,000 and $170,000, meaning a $180,000 budget can still secure a solid 3-bedroom home, often 1,500 to 2,100 square feet, in established residential neighborhoods. Outdoor access is a major strength. Rockford offers over 4,000 acres of parks, riverfront trails, and nearby nature preserves, giving residents space to walk, bike, and unwind without leaving the city. Healthcare access is another plus, anchored by OSF St. Anthony Medical Center and Swedish American Hospital, both providing full-service specialty and emergency care. Ownership costs require balance. Property taxes average around 2.2%, placing most annual bills between $2,800 and $3,500. Utilities remain manageable, typically $160 to $210 per month. Safety varies by location. Northeast Rockford and areas near Rock Cut State Park tend to be quieter and more stable, while some west and central neighborhoods need caution. Add in Chicago-Rockford International Airport for easy travel, and Rockford rewards smart neighborhood choices with strong value and accessibility. So yes, affordable homeownership is still alive in America. You just have to look beyond headline cities and stay disciplined with numbers, neighborhoods, and inspections. These towns prove that a $180,000 budget can still deliver space, safety pockets, and long-term stability when you buy patiently and wisely. If you're touring properties, working with contractors, or traveling back and forth during a purchase, a Master Lock portable key safe is incredibly useful. It lets trusted people access the home without constant key handoffs. You'll find the link in the description. And if you want even deeper bargains, check out our video on cheapest US cities where you can still buy a home under $150,000. It pairs perfectly with this list. The market always changes. Smart buyers stay informed, move calmly, and let data guide decisions, not hype.